Astronomy 8 research project. Breaking news! Lava flows discovered on Venus. How did this happen and how do we figure this out? Let's dive a little deeper onto how these were discovered on Venus and what do they mean. Hopefully by now we all know that Venus is our neighboring planet. It also is the closest, almost exactly the same size as Earth. It also has a similar bulk composition, so it's likely to have an internal heat source, perhaps due to radioactive heating. This heat has to escape somehow, and one possibility is that it does so from the form of volcanic eruptions. The ESA, European Space Agency, conducted with the Venus Express, which completed its mission 8 years ago in the study of this planet. It conducted a wide range of observations at different wavelengths in order to address these important questions about volcanic activity on the planet. Now, using a near-infrared channel of the spacecraft's Venus monitoring camera to map thermal emissions from the surface through a transparent spectral window in the planet's atmosphere, an international team of planetary scientists has spotted localized changes in the surface brightness between images taken only a few days apart. As you can see here are a few rift zones on the planet Venus. It was imaged repeatedly to look for change. The maps present here show the changes in relative brightness compared to the average background. Red-orange indicates an increase, blue-purple a decrease for a number of images acquired on each day. While some changes are due to a variation in cloud brightness, one fixed surface hotspot is infrared, labeled Object A, which shows an increase in brightness between the 22nd and 24th in June of 2008, followed by a decrease. This map shows near-infrared emissivity. Red-orange is high emissivity, purple is the lowest emissivity. We have now seen several events where a spot on the surface suddenly gets much hotter and then cools down again. These four hotspots are located in what are known from radar imagery to be tectonic rift zones, but this is the first time we have detected that they are hot and changing in temperature from day to day. It is the most tantalizing evidence yet for active volcanism. These flows were found to be less than 2.5 million years old, but the study could not establish whether it's still active on the planet. In 2002, there was an additional piece of evidence that showed a sharp rise in sulfur dioxide content of the upper atmosphere in 2006 and 2007, followed by a gradual fall over the following 5 years. Although the changes in wind patterns could have caused this, the more intriguing possibility is that the episodes of volcanic activity were injecting vast amounts of sulfur dioxide into the upper atmosphere. Venus's view is very hard to see due to the blurred clouds, and areas of increased emission appear to spread out over large areas. So the spacecraft's limits of observations was extremely difficult. But it's pretty much safe to say that Venus is a small club of volcanically active solar system bodies. It's an important step in our quest to understand the different evolutionary histories of Earth and Venus as well. So now it's quiz time. Maybe you can answer these 3 questions from the simple video. Hopefully it wasn't too hard to understand, and good luck!